Take a look at this. We've got a semicircle. On the left side, there's a vertical line going up to the curve, and its height is 10. On the right side, another vertical line. This one has height 20. And the distance between those 2 points at the bottom is 30. The question is simple. What's the area of this semicircle? To find the area, we just need the radius. Now, mark the center of the semicircle. Call it O. We don't know exactly where it is, so let's assume the right part of the base is X. That means the left part must be 30 minus X. Now, here's the key step. Draw a line from the center O to the top of the left vertical. That line is a radius, so its length is R. Now, look at the triangle formed there. Height is 10. Base is 30 minus X. Hypotenuse is R. Use Pythagoras. 30 minus X whole squared plus 10 squared equals R squared. Expand it. You get X squared minus 60X plus 900 plus 100 equals R squared. Simplify it. X squared minus 60X plus 1000 equals R squared. Keep that for a moment. Now do the same on the right side. Draw a line from O to the top of the right vertical. Again, that's a radius, R. Now we get another triangle. Base is X, height is 20. So, X squared plus 20 squared equals R squared. That gives X squared plus 400 equals R squared. Now here's the trick. Both expressions equal R squared, so we can set them equal to each other. X squared plus 400 equals X squared minus 60X plus 1000. Cancel X squared from both sides. We get 400 equals minus 60X plus 1000. Rearrange it. 60X equals 600. So X is 10. Now, plug this back. Use the simpler equation. X squared plus 400 equals R squared. So 10 squared plus 400 equals R squared, which is 100 plus 400 equals R squared. That means R squared is 500. And that's all we need. Area of a semicircle is pi times R squared divided by 2. So the area becomes 500 pi divided by 2, which is 250 pi. If you want a decimal, that's about 785.4. And that's the answer. Looks complicated at first, but really, It's just two right triangles. If you spotted that early, that's actually impressive. All right, see you in the next one.